Hi friends, in this video I will show you many methods to fix session expired problem on Facebook in iPhone. In first method, swipe up all running applications on your iPhone and refresh Facebook application and then open Facebook application. Hopefully you get rid of session expired problem on Facebook. In second method, check your internet connection whether it is cellular data or Wi-Fi working properly. In third method, clear cache on Facebook application on your iPhone. In fourth method, update your Facebook application and then use Facebook. In fifth method, restart your iPhone and open Facebook application. Hopefully session expired problem will be fixed on your iPhone. In sixth method, uninstall your Facebook application and then install Facebook application on your iPhone. Hopefully you will be able to use Facebook application. So by applying these 6 methods, you can fix session expired problem of Facebook in your iPhone. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments.